Think gardening is off limits in January? Think again. If you live in Zone 6, there are still plenty of vegetables you can grow. Whether you're planting outside or getting a head start indoors, I'll show you exactly what to grow to keep your garden thriving, even in the cold. Let's get started! Gardening in Zone 6 during winter. Zone 6 is known for chilly winters, but that doesn't mean your garden has to be empty. With the right plants and a little planning, you can still grow fresh vegetables even in January. And the best part? You don't need a heated greenhouse to do it. In this video, we'll cover cold, hardy veggies you can grow outside, even with snow on the ground. Vegetables to start indoors for a jump start on spring planting. Let's start with what you can grow outside. Cold, hardy vegetables for outdoor planting. Believe it or not, some vegetables thrive in cold weather. In fact, frost can improve their flavor. Here are the best options for January gardening in Zone 6. Garlic! If you miss planting garlic in fall, there's still time. Cold temperatures actually help bulbs develop. Just plant in well-drained soil, mulch heavily, and let nature do the rest. By summer, you'll have big, flavorful bulbs ready to harvest. Kale, one of the toughest greens. Kale actually becomes sweeter after a frost. If you have a cold frame or row cover, even better, you'll enjoy fresh greens all winter long. Spinach, another winter warrior. With some protection like a row cover or hoop house, spinach can survive freezing temperatures. Harvest the outer leaves, and it will keep producing all season. Carrots, if you planted carrots in the fall, they're now at their sweetest. Just cover them with mulch to prevent the soil from freezing too hard and pull them up as needed. Brussels sprouts, slow growing but worth it. Frost enhances their flavor, making them sweeter and less bitter. If you planted them last season, now's the perfect time to harvest. These veggies can handle the cold, but using row covers, cold frames, or even extra mulch can help increase your harvest. Vegetables to start indoors in January. While your outdoor garden pushes through the cold, now is the time to get a head start on some crops indoors. That way, once spring arrives, you'll have strong, healthy plants ready to go into the ground. Here's what to start indoors now. Onions and leeks, these need a long growing season. If you want large onions by summer, start seeds now in trays with good potting soil. Keep them under grow lights and they'll be ready for transplanting in early spring. Tomatoes and peppers, yes, it's freezing outside, but starting these indoors now gives you a major advantage. Just ensure they have plenty of light and warmth to prevent leggy, weak growth. Lettuce and herbs if you want fresh greens without waiting for spring. Lettuce and herbs like basil, cilantro, and parsley grow well indoors. Use small pots. Place them near a sunny window or under grow lights and enjoy fresh greens year-round. Starting these crops indoors means you'll be ready when warmer weather arrives. Your future self will appreciate it. Pro tips for successful winter gardening. Now that you know what to plant, here are a few tips to help you get the best results. Use cold frames or row covers. Even simple covers can protect plants from extreme cold and wind. Mulch generously. A thick layer of mulch around root crops like carrots and garlic helps insulate the soil and keeps it from freezing solid. Invest in grow lights if you're growing indoors. Don't rely on window light alone. Good grow lights prevent weak, leggy seedlings. Keep gardening even in winter. January isn't a quiet time for gardening, far from it. Whether you're growing outdoors in the cold or starting plants indoors, there are plenty of ways to keep your garden active in Zone 6. What are you planting this winter? Drop a comment below and let's chat. If video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more gardening tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next one.